I'm not boring. No, okay, that's it. I'm cutting my hair. That's... Oh, Nelly, no. Put down those kitchen scissors. No. Here, try these. They're not actually sharper, they were 20 euros, but they look a lot better in video. Alright, now we're talking. Hola! Today I'm going to be showing you how to unboring your boring hair. I did a video recently where basically I gave you like hair ideas to whoever wanted a hair change, and a lot of them were obviously colors, but today we're going to kind of delve into the hairstyling world. What happens when you don't have the coloring option? So what are your options to unboringify your hair? Today we're gonna cut some hair. Basically, I have this brand new wig. Brand new. Straight from someone's head. It's from Perfect Lace Wigs, which is one of my favorite wig manufacturers ever. And today we're going to try to spice it up. I know I've already done videos similar to this, but I just want to give you guys who out there who might want to change your hair but can't because can't afford it, don't want to, whatever. The option that if you don't want to dye your hair, you do something else to it. So yeah, today I'm going to be altering slightly this beautiful bad boy wig. I have this thing on my head because the wig's still gluing. Also because I did absolutely nothing to the hairline. Yay, I need to fix it. As you could see, this thing has some roots already. I'm hiding my face because my hairline is wacko. I'm going to leave the link of this wig down in the description box below because you're gonna want to check it out. And without further ado, it's time to jump into the changing business. Today we're going to cut a fringe. I've done fringe videos a lot on my channel, but I still feel like people are not getting it. Oh my god, what are these roots? I want people to experiment with their hair, with themselves, with whatever. And I feel like one of the easiest ways to do that is your fringe. So today we're going to go over that again. I see like a lot of things online, top 10 things to not do at home. And it's like, don't cut yourself a fringe, don't do this, don't do that. So today we're going to prove everyone wrong and we're going to cut ourselves a fringe. Yay. Basically, first step of the progress is sectioning off the bit that you want to cut off. Okay, we need more. I'm not going for a completely even section because I feel like if I do it too symmetrical and too perfect, the wig might look too forced, and I want kind of like a messy vibe to it. Here's what I got so far. I think I'm gonna separate a bit more. But here goes. Yay. Basically, when you do a fringe, you have to aim for a small semicircle around till the midst of your eyebrows. If you do it any larger than that, the fringe is going to just sparse out too much. You have to think of a fringe as kind of like a wide angle. You start small here, it's going to spread out eventually. So if we went for a much larger kind of a semicircle, the fringe would kind of spread out till your temples, which is ugly and lame. Small section, nothing too perfect, but nothing too much. You can always add more later on if you want, but please, for the love of Jesus, start small. This can go to the back. I don't have a rubber band, okay. The hair girl doesn't have a rubber band. That's new. To make your lives easier, and specifically to make my life easier, I'm already going to blow dry this in the way that I want my fringe to lay. The reason why fringe videos become such fail videos is because the minute they cut their fringe decides to explode all over the place, obviously because it hasn't been styled. Hair dryer, hot setting, medium-sized brush. We're not going to be cutting straight, we're going to be cutting upwards to create uneven edges. Here's a good trick to use for fringes. If you want your side edges to be longer than the middle, you can twist your hair section like so, and then when you cut it and it opens up, it's going to be longer at the edges. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this really quickly. I know that this is going to be too long, but obviously it's sticking out everywhere. Nobody panic. No, 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 me panic, oh no. Now comes the upward cutting. I'm gonna come closer for this. Now we go higher and we start chopping into our wig, getting rid of any straight edges. Let's straighten it, because we still have to do that. And now we're going to see whether we need to cut more or less, or we're good. We need to go shorter, I think. Look at this! We could have a 2009 Demi Lovato moment. Could pull up the rest of our hair into a little bun. This thing, what are you? No, no, no. Okay, I think our bangs look freaking cute. So now it's time to do the rest of the hair. We could do a messy bun. Let's do a messy bun. Oh. Ponytail. Oh, even this is cute. Look at my cute ponytail moment. Take a tiny little rubber band. You see, like these ones. So I'm just kind of twisting it around, and then before even going in, I'm going to kind of put this rubber band over the entire thing. Look at this, look at this. Bring it up here. You guys even see that? I hope you guys saw that. I'm sorry if you didn't. Now we take some pins and we just kind of pin them in place. Of course, in real life, my bun doesn't come this nice because my hair is 10 times more damaged. You get the idea, you know. Living for these bangs, I am living for these bangs. Oh look, I changed clothes. We can go full Instagram chic. Same kind of concept. I feel very Phoebe Buffet actually, more than Instagram. Hi. Yes. Yes. Oh yeah. I bow down to pray, trying to make the world seem better. Lord, show me the way. Got through all this worn out leather. I got 100 million reasons to walk away. But baby, I just need one good one to stay. Need one good one to stay. Finally, we can go super special. Braids, honey! It's really hard to judge where the center of a wig is because you never actually feel like the comb, you know, passing through. So I think I have to go. No. Something like this that has roots all over the place, the best thing to do for that is braids. Braids are the one occasion where roots actually make the hairstyle look better. Separate your hair down the middle. So I've got 2 bunches of hair. You see? Okay. Dutch braid. I feel like a Dutch braid. Let's do Dutch braids. Okay, I'm sure you guys know this part, but I'm gonna film it anyways. Literally all I do on my channel. Dutch braid my freaking hair. Looks cute, don't it? Shabam! Needs to be extra special. Oh my god. So yeah, I'm actually really liking the color transition. It's like, is the hair black? Is it blonde? It's both. Oh, Now I see where they got the inspo. Hi. This is it, honey's. If you do not have the money for a color change, make your own change. Basically, these are a few looks that I think add a bit of spice to anyone's hair. It removes kind of like the boring aspect from it and instead gives you more like a hobo aspect. I think that bangs should be something that everyone tries one day, specifically cutting them yourselves. It's one of those things that you're either going to learn from and grow from, or you're going to just ace it. Now you know the basics, now you know how to do it, what not to do, you know, so you can't say you don't have the material to do it. I'm going to link this wig down in the description box below because I absolutely love it. I really do hope that you guys give this wig a go because it was a dream to work with and it's a great practice wig if you want to, well, this is a cute look, get some bangs. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you'll give it a go and I will see you in my next video.